By using motorcycle engine and some metals, these young Africans created this thing. Brothers and sisters, kings and queens, sons and daughters in the continent of Africa, and those who are in diaspora. This is Facts About Africa, the African channel, share thoughts and changing the narrative of Mother Africa. Sometimes we provide solutions for our own problems. As you see here, this our young brother from Africa also creating this a car by using a motorcycle engine. And not him only, but we all know that every corner of Africa we have this kind of innovation. So brothers and sisters, I think 2 years ago we saw our young brother, I think from Zambia, who created who was innovated TV which was powered by radio frequency. And not only him, also we see our young brothers in Nigeria also creating robots, these cars and so many things. So now we have this idea from another African brother who created this car by using a motorcycle engine and some metals. So as you see, and they say that this car can carry up to 700 kilograms. So just a simple way of creating it, but sometimes we fail, we Africans in the continent, to support such kind of ideas. And I always used to share this kind of things in this platform, because this young man here, he have these ideas, and there's no place where he can go and show this to the world that I have these ideas. So we use this platform sometimes to provide solutions for our own problem. I think yesterday I posted a video showing our young brother also creating cycle, such kind of motorcycle by using trees. So now I brought to you this idea. So let us support our own things. And I remember the speech from Joshua Maponga said that Africa, sometimes we forget our traditional way of living because we copy from Western tradition. And by doing that, we forgot all things in Africa by seeing that all things from Africa is bad and things from Western world is good. So if we can't support our brothers and sisters here in the continent of Africa, we can't achieve our goals, because we will be separated. I mean, what I mean by saying that is, if we support each other, it means that we are united. So let us unite and support our own things. So you see this such kind of ideas. Assume, take this man to another level where he can use modern tools and such things. What will he made? That will be wonderful. And I hope by sharing thoughts, by sharing this to you brothers and sisters, you may add something in the comment section. What he must achieve, or what he must add to make this in a modern way by using African support. By powered by African people. Let us support our young brothers, let us support our young sisters, let us support Africans each other in order to make Africa great. So let me end here, and I hope you have something to say on this innovation. Please write down in the comment section. This is Fact About Africa, the African channel, share thoughts and changing narrative of Mother Africa. Sometimes we provide solutions for our own problems, as I said before, and this what you see here, the solutions of our own problem. Thanks for watching, and let us meet on the next episode. Thanks for watching.